This is a white chocolate mousse dessert that is so good, you'll eat the entire bowl. Really, even the bowl is edible. And it's all thanks to our secret weapon, the balloon. Before I could even get to this dessert, I had to get the right supplies. They came late and they came wrong. Inflated balloons! I want them deflated. I didn't know working a balloon could be this hard. My God, I keep breaking this thing. And who knew? Even while working a balloon, I would need to smash. By the way, in case you didn't notice, I decided to theme this video Cruella because I just don't do basic. Can you tell?
And so, how
Delight.
to know you always tell me.
Fire. The secret weapon hasn't arrived yet, but it'll be here soon. Wait and see. But first, let me change into something of more appropriate. Okay guys, let's get started. Wait, this is not right. Okay, this is better. Wait, this is not right. Okay, now we're talking, baby. If you like fun free videos, make sure to hit that bell and subscribe. Oh, the door. I didn't have any of these, so I had to order them online. Didn't be a gas. It's this way. What is it? Red balloons? Help me, I'm getting frozen over here. Let's start blowing this up. I have a hard time with you guys, and it pops in my face. I can do this. I'm low. If you think I can do it. Now I'm gonna blow and pinch. This is how big you want it to be. And thank God, guys. I'm not even gonna try the novel with these nails. I'll link all the ingredients down below. I melted some white candy melts in a bowl. I'm gonna coat my balloon with some oil. Now I'm going to dip my balloon into white chocolate. Now I'm gonna let the excess drip off. Now I'm putting it right side up in a bowl. In the meantime, we're going to be smashing some cookies. This is the size you want the oil to be like. This is my dimension spot, you guys.
Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
You are going to need to let this sit out for 2 hours. Now we're going to work on our mousse. Let's bring in our heavy cream. And we're going to add to it our vanilla extract. Now we're going to add in to our mixture. We're going to add our white chocolate chips. Now we're going to bring in our bowl to the front. And for me, we're going to do it together. I'm going to refrigerate our mousse and we're going to work on our balloon. Time to pop them. Guys, if this doesn't smell good, then everything's gonna be a disaster. I'm nervous for this, guys. Oh no. I'm gonna first cut a little piece of our balloon to pop it. I'm scared, guys. Oh my gosh. Hopefully it comes out right, not wrong. Here's where it all started to go wrong. The minute I lifted the balloon, I knew it was gonna be a bust. I bought these beautiful spotted balloons to impress my viewers. I didn't realize the paint would leak. Then to make things worse, my God, I keep breaking this thing. Good thing I was prepared. I have been practicing with some plain balloons all week. Our plain balloons to the rescue. In case you didn't catch on, use a plain balloon if you decide to do this recipe. Now it's time to work on the rim. What do you guys think? Remember the Oreos that hurt my finger? Okay, time to put them in the floor bowl. Now we put a dab of our white chocolate in the middle of our rock paper. Now I'm gonna dunk the rim of my cup. Now we're gonna put it in our Oreo. Now I'm gonna sit my cup on top of our white chocolate. I can let it sit for 5 minutes. You are creating a base for your bowl. Look at this. Now it stands up like a bowl. Okay, time to fill it up, guys. Straight in the middle. That's it, guys. It's all done. And if you like fun quiz videos, make sure to hit that bell, subscribe, and comment.